Right, just making a short video. This is my GL650. Now I'm going to go for a little ride on my GL650. Trying to walk around to just show you what she's like. It's a little difficult because I've got my other bike in here, which is in need of work. Anyway, because my TDM is off the road and I wish to go for a little ride, I'm taking the GL650. Now she's got only, let's see the clocks, 27,000 on the clocks, well nearly 28 really, but she had a very sordid history. When I bought her, the engine was a complete write-off, and the engine in her now is in actual fact from a CX650 rather than a GL. No real difference. And if it confuses people, the cam covers are off a CX500 just because I prefer the look, that's all. I just like the look. You may have noticed a lack of a fairing. That was one of the things that was the problem when I bought the bike. The fairing was in a right mess. It was pretty smashed up. I mean, if I went listing all the problems with the bike when I bought it, you wouldn't believe it. I actually paid £600 for it then, but they were hard to get hold of then, what, like 15 years ago. So yes, and she's got a few different bits and pieces. You know, she's hardly standard, but there's enough of her to make a GL650 there. And yeah, she goes quite well. She's nice to ride and good on fuel and comfortable. Now the question is, will it actually make a journey of somewhere between 600 and 700 miles? But I mean, it's going to be spaced over about a week, give or take a sausage, and it depends on how far I go. I'm starting where I live, near Bishop Auckland in the northeast, and then heading down to see a family relative in Manchester. From Manchester I'll be going to Cannock to see my parents, and from there I go down to Winslow in the south. Can't remember exactly where, but yes, so I'll go to Winslow, spend a couple of days there, then from Winslow over the country into Welshpool to Wales, and from Wales, after I've met with a friend, I'll be riding back to Manchester, see the relative once more, and then back home. Now, will the bike do it? It uses a little bit of oil, but I only think it's the valve guides or seals, nothing serious. The compression's high, so that's not a problem. We'll have to wait and see. They are notorious for blowing head gaskets to 650s, but this was done not long ago on the side that blew, which was this side. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it stays. I've got a spare, I'd say a spare head gasket in my pannier, but it's, long story short, it's a copper gasket that I had made for me because I was trying to solve the issue with the 650. Right, anyway, I'll do little short videos of how she gets on, and hopefully no punches, no problems, no grief. I've got a pannier full of bits and pieces to try and keep her going if there is any problems. God only knows what's going to happen. But let's see if a 39-year-old GL650 can ride 600-700 miles over a week, and I'm not going to be using motorways as much as possible. For example, going to Manchester, I'm not going down the M6. I'm going to be going through Yorkshire and taking the scenic route. There's no rush. There's no I need to be here for this time. It's just enjoying it. Kind of like if you've ever read Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, that sort of a mindset, you know. Mind you, he went quite quick at times. Ah, well, scrap that, you know what I mean. Just relax, enjoy the ride, and hopefully it'll be good. Right, wish me luck.